For many years we've done a lot of research in life science, we've made some great discoveries, but what do we do with that information now? With biotechnology and bioinformatics, it gives us the ability to use those skills and try and make real changes to the world for the greater good.
I did my high school from Nepal and I was introduced to the term biotechnology, and it was then that I decided that maybe this is something I wanted to do. Deakin is one of the few universities that offers both biotechnology along with bioinformatics. So that was the reason that I came to Deakin. If we look at 20 years back the road, many people wouldn't have thought that biology and computer softwares would go together, and that is what bioinformatics really is.
Our Biotechnology and Bioinformatics course here at Deakin University runs for 2 years. In the second year of the course, you can do a research project for the entire year, or you can do our professional practice pathway, where you do half a year in an industry placement and then also half a year where you can choose some elective units in an area that you really want to study.
There are a lot of options in terms of research and what topic we want to work on, and that really excites me.
You're going to do agricultural, biotech, nanotechnology, and we'll also have a real emphasis on talking to leading experts in the area. That's a real advantage with the course because we have those direct links to industry and you get to see what's going on at the cutting edge.
The career opportunities are really vast. It is not limited to just being in the lab. You can go into food industry or microbiology, medical field.
We get domestic students, of course, but we also have a wide range of international students, and they come from places such as India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Europe as well. We do have a focus on practical learning. By the time people finish this course, they're going to be able to walk into a laboratory with confidence and be able to actually use the equipment. But we also have a real emphasis on independent learning as well.
I think I have gained a lot from Deakin, whether it be from theoretical knowledge, practical skills, or even advice from supervisors or lecturers. For international students, it might be a bit of a shock initially. Even though the lecturers are really encouraging, you have to approach them with your problem and they are more than happy to help you. I was a person who was always inside my shell and I was really afraid to get out of it. But now I ask and network, so it helps you prepare for the real world outside of university.